Let's start with the core features. Durable is known for its robust data handling and analytics capabilities. It offers advanced AI tools, which help businesses optimize their operations. TinWeb, on the other hand, focuses more on website building and management. It provides a range of tools for design, SEO, and security. Relume is more of a project management tool with features like task tracking, team collaboration, and resource allocation. It's more suited for businesses looking to streamline their workflows. Moving on to pricing, Durable offers a pay-as-you-go model, which can be cost-effective for businesses with fluctuating data needs. TenWeb uses a subscription-based model, with plans starting from $10 per month. It's a good value for money for small businesses and startups. Relume has a freemium model, with the basic features available for free and premium features available for a fee. It's ideal for businesses on a tight budget. In terms of user experience, Durable offers a clean and intuitive interface. However, it requires a learning curve due to its advanced features. TenWeb is user-friendly, with drag-and-drop website builders and pre-designed templates, making it easy even for non-tech-savvy users. Relume, while user-friendly, has a more complex interface due to its multiple features and functionalities. Integration capabilities are crucial for seamless operations. Durable integrates well with various data sources, making data ingestion and analysis easier. TenWeb integrates with popular CMS like WordPress and e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce. Relume integrates with popular project management tools like Jira and Asana, enhancing its functionality. Performance-wise, Durable excels in processing large volumes of data quickly thanks to its advanced AI capabilities. TenWeb provides fast and reliable website performance, which is crucial for SEO and user experience. Relume provides real-time updates and notifications, ensuring efficient project management. Security is paramount in today's digital age. Durable offers robust security features to protect sensitive data. TenWeb has built-in security measures to protect websites from threats. Relume provides role-based access control and other security features to ensure project data is safe. In terms of support, all three platforms offer 24/7 customer service. Durable and TenWeb offer support via email, phone, and live chat, while Relume offers support via email and in-app chat. Additionally, they all provide extensive documentation and resources to help users navigate their platforms. Now, let's declare the winner. Based on our comparison, TenWeb comes out on top. It's user-friendly, affordable, and offers a comprehensive suite of website management tools. It integrates well with popular platforms, provides reliable performance, and has robust security measures. Its support is also commendable. However, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. Durable is ideal for data-driven businesses, while Relume is perfect for project management. Thank you for watching this comparison video. We hope it was helpful in understanding the differences between Durable, TenWeb, and Relume. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Your support encourages us to create more such useful content. Thank you and take care.